Let's quickly review what is numerology. Okay, so numerology is the ancient science of understanding life through vibration of numbers. It is based on principle, that we believe every number carries a unique frequency that influences personality, your destiny, timing of event, relationship, and life experiences. More than simple qualities do. Okay, numbers are seen as living symbol of cosmic intelligence. That is the core belief of numerology. So what are the four lineages we are going to learn? Pythagorean system, psychological life path based system. It's more of a logic and mathematical driven, 1 to 9, and master numbers 11, 22, and 33. Chaldean system, ancient Babylonia name based system, and they use more of a logic and vibration using 1 to 8. They do not consider 9 as a number because 9 is sacred. Okay, we will discuss later. Vedic numerology, Indian karmic system linking numbers with planets. This is the core theme of Vedic numerology and remedies. And Chinese numerology, stavage based system using Loshu, greed, and destiny cycles for luck and timing. So using numerology, you will be able to analyze personality, destiny, timing, relationship, and life experience. That's the core fundamental of numerology system, whether you use Pythagorean, Chaldean, Vedic, or Chinese numerology.